Okay, so the battery was not turning on, and the problem was eventually, I can see that this thing moves around, and I'm not sure. So you can see how that would be a problem when you're trying to introduce the battery into it for it to line up completely. You know, so I've got to take that out to see what's going on underneath, to see if there's nothing broken, something that stabilizes this, or is this just the nature of this type of connector? So to get to it, I'm going to have to get it out from there, and I just can't pull it down, so I've got to take this off, this side, and this side. So let's see what that gives. So the idea of taking the covers off is that now I'm going to take the motor out and or move it around, whatever the case is. If it can be removed easily, that would give me much better access to here. And this key doesn't work, by the way, either. I just picked this bike up yesterday from someone, and the lock for removing the battery, that wasn't working. So I'm not sure whether I need a new lock or what the case is, or if this is just not unlocking because the battery isn't connected to it or something. I don't know. And it's not that one key might be bad. There's no way two keys are bad.